Welcome. If you're tired of seeing Instagram's other notifications pop up on your lock screen and want a cleaner, distraction-free experience, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn off these notifications on your device, so you can keep your lock screen clutter-free and focus on what matters most. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you'll find all the controls for your apps and notifications. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists all the applications installed on your phone. Find and select Instagram from the list. If you have a lot of apps, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate Instagram. After you've tapped on Instagram, look for the Notifications option. This is where you can customize how and when Instagram sends you alerts. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see different categories for Instagram notifications. Find the section labeled Other. This is where notifications that don't fit into the main categories are grouped. Tap on Other, and you'll see several notification settings. Look for the lock screen option. This controls whether these notifications appear when your phone is locked. Now, tap on Lock Screen, and you'll be given a few choices. Select Don't Show Notification. This will prevent Instagram's other notifications from appearing on your lock screen, helping you maintain your privacy and reduce distractions. That's it. You've successfully turned off Instagram's other notifications on your lock screen. Now, you can enjoy a more peaceful and focused phone experience, without unnecessary interruptions every time you pick up your device. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends who might also want to tidy up their lock screens. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.